welcome to part 1 of my 3-part series for Valentine's Day. Before we get started, go ahead and give this video a thumbs up and make sure that you're subscribed to my channel and turn on your notifications so that you know when the next video is uploaded. So for part 1 of my Valentine's Day series, I'm going to be doing a neon sign inspired look. So I do have this eye pretty much done already, just to show you what is the end goal, and then I'm going to do this eye alongside with you. So my brows are already done. I'm going to be using my ColourPop Pretty Fresh concealer in medium dark to prime my eye. So I'm just going to put a little bit on there, not a lot, because yeah. Then I'm going to use my BH Cosmetics brush in 129 to blend it all out. Okay, now that our eye is primed, I'm going to go into my James Charles palette. Y'all know I love this palette. I'm going to be using this hot pink. And with that hot pink, I'm going to use this brush. This is from Morphe. Does not have a number on it, but it's basically like a liner brush. And we are going to create a wing using that hot pink. So I like to drag it out. And drag it back in. And from the inside to the middle. And then fill it in. Okay, so now we have our wing. Next thing I'm going to do, I'm going to use this white eyeliner called Hellcat from Il Makiage and Rico Nasty collection. Just a white liner. I'm going to trace out this pattern. So I started from the wing, drew my heart, and then brought it back over the eye. So let's attempt to do that again. So this goes right into you want to try to make sure that they're even. Well, I do, since I did this eye first. Okay, here we go. This is really just serving as a guideline. It is not the official line. So if you mess up, it is okay. Next, I'm going to take my Morphe M213 brush. And in the James Charles palette, I'm going to go in with this darker pink purple color. And I'm going to trace the outline that I just drew. So that I do not lose that white line, I'm going to go back in with my eyeliner and just kind of retrace it again. Then I'm going to take my Morphe M443 and I'm going to go back in with that hot pink, and then I'm going to just put that hot pink towards the edge of this line that we have here. So on the edges of the dark pink that we used. And this pointed tip helps with keeping it more precise. Okay, so it's outlined now. I'm going to take the Morphe M507. And I'm just going to go ahead and blend out all of those edges. So we have a nice blend and not these like harsh lines. For the actual white line, I'm going to be using some face paint. If you do not have face paint, I do recommend a liquid white. I think it's easier and it looks better than a like pencil that we just used. So I'm using, this is a paintbrush that I got from Michaels, super small. So it's really going to help us with this look. And I'm literally just going to trace out the white line to bring it out to look more like a neon sign. And now that our white line is done, I'm going to go ahead again with that Morphe M443, the pointed brush, and I'm going to go back in with that hot pink and just kind of trace it again. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and put on my foundation and my lashes. And then we're going to come back and finish this look. Okay, so our face is done. Next thing I'm going to do, I'm going to put some white liner on my bottom waterline. You can use the white eyeliner that we used before, but I'm going to be using my NYX Jumbo Eye Pencil in Milk. So I'm literally just going to apply that to my bottom waterline. Then I'm going to take my C Curve eyeshadow brush from RK by Kiss. And I'm going to use that hot pink that we've been using this entire time. And I'm going to put that on my bottom lash line as well. I'm just going to pack that in there so that it's bright. Like that. Okay, so I do want to do like the bottom lashes. So I have these cheap lashes here. And I'm going to cut them in their little segments. Like you see where it's like one segment right here. I'm going to cut it like that. And I have some little scissors. So let me show you what I mean. So I'm going to take this lash out. And I'm going to take my scissors. Then I have one segment like this. So I'm going to be putting these on my bottom lash. So I'm going to cut out from that lash. Okay, so now I cut about 4. You can see them at the top. So this is the rest of the lash. I'm going to go ahead and glue these on. I'm going to use some tweezers and some lash glue, and then I'm going to place them. So I've decided that I'm only going to do 2 because I like it, but you can add more if that's what you would like to do. Next thing I'm going to do to add to this look, I'm going to be using their Faux Real Freckle Stamp. This is the one that has hearts on it. And yeah, we're going to be putting some freckles. These are shaped like hearts, so okay. This is hilarious. Okay, and then the other side has like a smaller dot where you can just do regular size freckles. Okay, I know you're probably like, what? but it's fun. Okay, in our Wahala 2 palette from Juvia's Place, I want to add Fame. This color right here, and I'm going to be using my BH Cosmetics in number 11. Looks like this. And we're going to be applying that color to our inner corners. Okay, that really brightened up the corners. I'm also going to add that to under my brow to highlight it. Okay, so onto the lips. I'm going to be lining my lips with LA Girl's liner in Deepest Purple. And after my lips are lined, I'm going to be applying Kat Von D's liquid lipstick in Requiem. Kind of relining my lips because I do not want my lips to be super light. And I know this look is different for some people, but makeup is really fun. Makeup, you really can just do whatever you want, and who cares? So I'm going to be setting my face. I'm going to use the Seal the Deal Luminous Setting Spray from Morphe. And then I'm going to use the Continuous Setting Spray from Morphe as well. This is a fun, super interesting and conversation piece for Valentine's Day. So I hope that you try it, or at least make your own version of it. But I love this. Thank you guys for joining me for this video. Kudos to you for making it to the end. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, and go ahead and subscribe to my channel and turn your notifications on so you know when the next video is coming. And remember, makeup magnifies the beauty that already exists. And you can also be super creative as you want. You can do whatever you want with makeup. Makeup is art. So just keep that in mind. Wishing you love, health, wealth, and happiness. Peace.